Saksi agaw eksena sa Cannes Film Festival, sina Brad Pitt at Angelina Jolie.
Samantala, tumanggap naman ng parangal sa Cannes ang isang short film na gawa ng reporter ng GMA Davao. Narito ang report.
Present ang mag-asawang Brad Pitt at Angelina Jolie sa red carpet premiere ng pelikula ni Brad na Tree of Life sa Cannes Film Festival. Bago pa man yan, naunang pinagkaguluhan sa Cannes si Angelina nang ipromote ang sequel ng Hollywood 3D animated film na Kung Fu Panda, kung saan muling binuhay ni na Jack Black at Angelina ang kanilang role bilang bosses ni na Po the Panda at Tigress. Nakapanayam sila ng kapuso Hollywood trigger na si Janet Nepales.
Tell me about this movie and how is it working with each other?
We didn't actually do any recordings together. We did them separately on separate dates. I like to think that it was just that she was busy with her schedule and that it had nothing to do with my odor or anything like that.
So how did you feel that you were more the tigress too in this movie?
I really liked coming back into the second one, and I like that she changes a little in this one, and she becomes a little softer, and we see a different side of her. And but she's tough and she's fun, and I like her.
Hinangaan naman sa short film category ng Cannes Film Festival ang short film na Latus na dinirehe ng GMA Davao reporter na si John Paul Seniel. Tinanghal itong Best International Short Film sa 2010 New York Independent Film and Video Festival at sa Cannes ginanap ang award ceremony. Base raw ito sa true to life story ng mga batang dumanas ng corporal punishment.
Isa kami sa mga napili para gumawa ng storya, tapos andun si Mr. John Paul Seniel, yung director namin from GMA.
Gusto lang namin na gumawa ng film upang ipalaganap para ma-stop po yung campaigning for stop for corporal punishment and go for positive discipline.
Para sa Saksi, Tina Panganiban Perez, nag-uulat.
Kung nasa na balita, ikaw at ang Liga ng Katotohanan magkasama sa pagbabalitang walang kinikilingan.
Walang pinoprotektahan, walang kasinungalingan, serbisyong totoo pa lamang. Ako po si Vicky Morales.
Ako naman, Arnold Glavio, susunod na Reporter's Notebook. Hanggang bukas, sama-sama tayong magiging saksi.